In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App Afterpay at a store. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the magnifying glass icon to open the Discover page. In the search bar at the top, type Afterpay and press Search. If Afterpay appears in the search results or under Recommended Offers, tap on it. Then, simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Afterpay account to your Cash App. If you don't see Afterpay in the Discover section, don't worry, you can still use it directly through the Afterpay app. To do that, close Cash App and open the Afterpay app instead. On the home screen, locate your active order or create a new one if needed. Tap on the order to view the details. From there, look for the option to make a payment. If Cash App is listed as one of the payment methods, select it and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Once your accounts are linked, both methods will work perfectly for in-store shopping. When you're ready to pay at checkout, simply use your Cash Card, either the physical card or the virtual one available in the app. Afterpay will automatically split your total purchase into 4 interest-free installments, while Cash App processes the transaction like a normal payment. And that's it. You've now connected Afterpay with Cash App and can start using it for in-store payments quickly and easily.